So it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon now on Wednesday, and I've been on the road roughly since around 9:30, and I've seen so far 2 plows and 1 Salter. That's it. And it looks like the express lanes here were plowed some time ago. We're westbound now from Brimley. But the collectors look like they haven't been plowed at all. And so the express is a little better. I just don't understand what's happening in the city today. Just don't get it. And that's the city, you know. The city is the city, especially the city of Toronto. They got other priorities. Road maintenance, of course. But the province is usually much better at this. You know, like the 401, they're very aggressive on the 401, especially in the city here. But I see nothing, so. Well, we'll see what's going on the Parkway later. Well, I think the province now does the maintenance on the Donald Parkway, I think, or they just pay for it. One of the two. So we'll see how that goes today. But this is not good at all, you know.